Gungo Peas Soup with smoked ham hock. In Jamaican culture, we eat soup and or porridge at least once a week. Saturday is definitely a soup day, but some people will do a different type of soup in the week. Being abroad, me find myself start making soup when cold start lick me. So this time of the year, I have some more gungo peas on my niece send come give me. And what's more perfect than making some gungo pea soup? Now, when we make this in Jamaica, we may use pigtail, salt beef, pig snout, any kind of meat, usually salty meat. However, some people even use chicken feet because my mother made this with chicken feet before. Now, I don't have these things to my disposal. So my next best thing is smoked ham hock and some smoked pork neck bone. No, don't knock it until you try it. No, the last time I was cooking my gungo for over 5-6 hours, it didn't catch me this time. What me do? Me soak it from the night before, Saturday night, because this is a Sunday dinner. Wake up Sunday morning, turn on my stove and start boil my dry gungo. I never put in the meat with it boil right away because me know say the gungo tougher than the meat. So while the gungo a boil, me scald off my meat them. Yes, me not just throw it in the pot so because you see all that impurity. Me no want to drink it. After the gungo boil for an hour, I added the hammock and the neck bone and make that boil for another hour and a half or two. While that happen, I cut up my vegetable them. And this is my coffee break. People always ask me, I have pressure cooker. The answer is yes. May have pressure cooker. But if you know, you know. Nothing nicer than your food slow cooking on the stove top. Me no business with you. But that hit different. If you know, you know. But feel free to pressure this if you want. So all this was boiling for about 2.5 hours before I add all my vegetables. I don't want them mash out too much. So I add some corn, torture, which is coyote squash, turnip and carrot. And I leave that for boil again. While that a boil, you know me have to rub up my flour. Because what is Jamaican gungo pea soup without dumpling? Yes, I have to put like a caramel in the dumpling. Incorporate your caramel, your salt, and your flour, and then you knead it up. And cover it down and make it relax. Now, I like to lightly season my pot here while my meat and my peas boiling, just so it incorporate most of the seasoning. But I go season it again later on, we see. Me also added some corn because what is soup without corn? This gungo pea soup need coconut milk. Yes, so me throw a can of coconut milk in there. Boy, me have to turn on the stove and run, go to the store, go buy coconut milk. So after me add the coconut milk, me make me dumpling them and put in there. You know some spinners have to go in there too. And me stir that up, wash some Irish potato, peel them, cut them, and put them in there. Here comes the second round of seasoning, scallion, onion, and thyme, and then the Maggi chicken noodle. Well, I really prefer cock soup, but I don't have that, so the Maggi work just fine for me. This is the part where people are going to go crazy about in the comment. I add a spoon of sugar. That's what I do. You don't have to add no sugar if you don't want. Feel like sugar do to soup what salt do to porridge. Just even out the flavor. After this, you stir occasionally and boil till you come down to your desired thickness. When it reach a thickness where you like, all you have to do is share it out and sit down and enjoy your hot soup. This was so freaking good. May I go throw that one over my YouTube channel, but as usual, if you want, let me make it in detail over there for you. Me know you're gonna love this.